Turkey. It's all about admiring this dazzling destination. Turkey is calling out your name, and it's time you respond. Inviting all wave lovers to this Mediterranean hub, Antalya delivers. See the enchanting views from the hot air balloon in Cappadocia. Reward yourself with a magical thermal bath in the Travertine terraces of Pamukkale. The Blue Mosque shines its architectural beauty in Istanbul. Admire it. Don't miss Ephesus, the ancient city of colossal monuments. Go paragliding over turquoise blue waters and white sand beaches in Oludeniz. Don't forget to get addicted to the Turkish cuisine. Visit the Soumela Monastery in Trabzon and wander around adoring vibrant frescoes. Or choose Kuşadası's symbol Pigeon Island to relax and end your trip. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.